Does a full-size spare tire and wheel fit in your VB WRX? Short answer is yes. I bought the previous gen's wheel, which is very similar to the VB's wheel, and fitted it with the same tire. As we all know, our car comes with a tire inflation kit. That kit might be good for a quick pinch, but it won't help you when you have a full blowout. You're going to be stuck on the side of the road, and you're going to have to call a tow truck. What most people don't realize is that the wheel well is still built into the VB WRX, and most wheel wells can fit a full-size spare. So opt in for a full-size spare over a donut. So as you can see, a full-size tire and wheel fit in the trunk. And you might be wondering, Kyle, that's a 17-inch wheel. Yes, it is. And you know what? It's the same rolling diameter as the 18. So yes, your 18-inch wheel and stock 18-inch tire will fit in the wheel well. Subaru, specifically the washer support for the bolt. Part number right here. And then you guys put it right there, standard in all cars. And just like that, you now have a full-size spare. Alright, so your previous foam pieces, they're not gonna fit no longer with the new spare tire in there because it takes up the entire space of the wheel well. So you're gonna need the foam insert for the tools, for the jack and all that. So this is what it looks like. Right here, that one, and then the centerpiece right there. This should get you a nice, clean looking and leveled trunk space again. And I'll put the links below. You can buy them on the Subaru website. So we got the floor jack bolt, floor jack bracket, and jack holder. All links are going to be in the description. Yeah, here you go. Those are the parts. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Nice!